The Creative Canvas 13 with eye-catching appearance is available in 3 colors: Midnight Green, Violet Purple, and Cosmo Black, which offers more choices for users to fit their styles. Canvas 13 is the first pen display that supports connectivity with Android device via a USB-C to USB-C cable. Users can express their ideas on Canvas 13 whenever and wherever they want. Canvas 13 is 11.8mm ultra slim and weighs only 980 grams, which makes it an easy-to-carry pen display for outdoor drawing. Full HD IPS screen that boasts a 178-degree viewing angle and extra wide color gamut. 120% sRGB will bring you vivid images with vibrant colors and details. The upgraded pen technology enables pressure applied to be captured sensitively and lines input to be rendered in a more organic way. Battery-free pen PW5117 is optimized with a highly sensitive and stable pen nib to ensure a more lifelike drawing experience as you're using a regular ballpoint pen. Canvas 13 can be switched easily between 2 modes, pen display and pen tablet. Pen tablet mode will be activated when the screen of Canvas 13 is off, which not only helps to save power, but also offers another way for users to express their creativity. With 8 programmable press keys, Canvas 13 is ergonomically designed to facilitate your operation. In addition to Windows and Mac OS, Linux OS, Canvas 13 is also compatible with certain Android devices, which enables you to create on mainstream drawing software with Canvas 13 connected to your favorite peripheral. The full laminated screen with an anti-glare screen protector ensures a comfortable visual experience. The glass combines seamlessly with the screen to minimize the parallax, and at the same time, the anti-glare screen protector helps to keep your screen clear and transparent even under bright light. Besides a Type-C to HDMI connection, Canvas 13 also supports a Type-C to Type-C connection. Users can connect laptop that supports Type-C input to Canvas 13 easily, without using a Type-C to HDMI adapter.